Hello from Higley Metals and Welding, Minnesota. Today I'd like to show you our new portable worktop. Actually, it's for the do-it-yourselfers. This is a welding hold-down table for work positioning and generally all welding. What's unique about this is we have our work table laser cut to fit many different types of clamps, and we can design you any type of table that you want as far as hold down slots and holes. This table here is 36 inches square, and it's a little under a half-inch thick material. This is pickled in oil, mild steel. And we have it here, it's just setting, we're doing some work outside today, so I just got it setting on a regular plastic table. But we do build frames for these, and you can see those on our website also. These are ideal for precision welding and woodworking, where you need to clamp your work down for either gluing, and in welding for fixturing and positioning while you're welding. Again, this table here is 36 inches by 36 inches by 3/8 inch material. The slots in it are 1 inch. In this particular table, we got a long half-inch slot down one side, and then our hold down slots here, and we put a couple holes over on this side of it. So, and then over here, this is just laying on a pallet, but this would be a 36 by 48 inch tabletop. Similar top patterns. Again, we can make you any kind of slot layout that you would like. These bigger tables weigh too much for FedEx ground or UPS ground, so they have to be shipped by freight. They weigh approximately, this tabletop is about 150 pounds, and the 36 by 36 approximate weight is about 140 pounds, I believe. So you can get the telephone number and website address on this video, and it's Higley Metals, Rogers, Minnesota. If you have any questions, you can call us. Thank you.